Okay, so let's have a look at the second working for Robinson 2014. So it says calculate the figure for gross profit. So the gross profit is using the profit and loss account. So if you look up at the profit and loss account, we will see our gross profit figure here. We don't have anything for it, but we do have the credit sales and the cost of sales. So remember, the formula for gross profit is sales take away cost of sales. So in this question here, we need to find out the figures that we need. So we need a sales figure. So our credit sales figure is 510,000. So we put in 510,000, and then the cost of sales then is 336,000. So we're going to put in the 336,000. So because we've identified the figures that we need, we're now going to input these figures into the formula. So the sales of 510,000, take away the cost of sales of 336,000. That's going to give us a gross profit of 174,000. Now remember, the units that you need for this is euros. So it's 174,000 is our gross profit. And that's the second work for Robinson 2014 paper, ordinary question 5, the ratio question.